Welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host, Ida, and today we are going to do some lighted inspirational shadow perfume boxes. I was in Dollar Tree and I found these piggy banks, and it has shopping fun on it, and they're beautiful just like that. But I decided to take it to the next level. So we're going to need 2 of those. We're going to need some diamond wrap in both silver and gold. We're going to need a razor, some Fix All adhesive or E6000, some lights, one of these inspirational sayings. I picked up the one that says follow your dreams. I thought I was going to need these, but I don't. You're going to need those if you have the battery pack that have screws on it. You're going to need some battery operated lights. I have this one from Amazon as well as the ones from Dollar Tree. You're going to need some batteries, some acetone, 2 of the Dollar Tree square mirrors, some glitter paper, some knobs, decorative knobs, some Dollar Tree gems, your scissors, and your hot glue and glue stick. So let's get started, guys. So first I'm going to take the razor and I'm going to scrape off the shopping fun on one of the boxes. And I'm going to scrape it off with the razor, and then I'm going to go in with the acetone and I'm going to clean it up some more. And guys, it's thunder in here, so you may hear thunder in the background, or Mia panting because she's afraid. And that's what it will look like. So then I'm going to pop the back off, and I'm going to take my silver bling wrap. Now this one did not come from the Dollar Tree, but the Dollar Tree has the 5 row, so you will use 5 rows plus 4 rows because it takes 9 rows to go around the box. And I'm just going to cover 3 sides of the box in the silver diamond wrap. And I'm not so much worried about whether or not I don't cover up the slot. Matter of fact, I want the slot covered so I can put my decorative knob on it. Guys, Dollar Tree are having a lot of new products, and I'm finding them real interesting. I got some nice DIYs coming up with some of their new items, and I can't wait to share them with you guys. Matter of fact, every time I think I'm ready to show y'all another DIY that I have on the table, I come across a new product, and I want to get my idea out there as quick as possible. And I'm always constantly checking to make sure that the idea that I want to bring to you guys has not already been done. So now I'm just cutting off the diamond wrap, and as you saw, I left one side open. And then I'm going to take a 3-strand. I thought it was going to be 2, but it's actually a 3-strand, and I'm going to go all the way around the front of the box with the diamond wrap as well. And then you should have something like this. Now this decorative knob has gold on it, so you can use glitter to cover up that gold, or silver paint, but I like that little contrast of gold on it anyway. So I'm gonna set that off to the side to dry, and then I'm going to work on the inside of that frame. And so I'm going to take the inside part of my frame, and I'm going to trace it on the glitter foam, and then I'm going to cut that out. You can use Fix All, you can use what you call that stuff, glue gun, but I'm going to use Mod Podge, and I'm just going to stick that up there, and I'm going to trim any excess away. And I'm going to clean my mirror and put my mirror. I will say this, guys, now that Fix All adhesive eats at that rubber, so I will tell you to go ahead and take those stoppers off. So now I'm moving on to the next box, and I'm going to take my mirror, I'm going to sit it on the inside frame, on the back part of the frame, and I'm going to trace my mirror out because the mirror will not fit from end to end. So I'm going to put some of the gold diamond wrap on this one. Now Dollar Tree has two different golds, and this one is the lighter one that I'm putting on the inside. And guys, I was showing you there that you can either put glitter up under the bling wrap, or you can paint that area if you wanted to, but I like the contrast that it gives. So I'm just putting the bling wrap on all four sides, and then I am going to glue my mirror down in the center. Again, the same thing, make sure you take the tabs off, because I found it out the hard way that the mirrors will fall off. And I'm going to clean it. And then on this one, I am going to take the backing off that saying, and I'm going to pop it off, and then I'm going to glue that saying onto that mirror, the center of that mirror. So this is going to be sort of like follow your dream scent. Like, you know, your dreams to me have a scent of passion. You have something that drives you to go towards your dreams, and they said that everything has a scent. So this just, you know, my unlogical thinking, as you would call it. But again, also for some reason I think I didn't wait for the mirror to dry all the way, because the piece fell off, so I had to put some more back on it. So make sure that it dries, after you clean it, it dries completely. Now I'm going in with the gold diamond wrap. Now this one did come from the Dollar Tree. It's their 5-row, so I'm going to go around with the 5-row, and then I'm going to come back in, and I'm going to cut one of the strands out of the second row, and I'm going to add 4 more strands around, because remember I told you it takes 9 to go completely around it. I'm cutting fast, guys. It don't look like it, but I am actually cutting fast. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take that roll of diamond wrap, and I'm going to finish wrapping my box, and then I'm going to go on the front side, and I'm going to cover the front side of my box as well, also leaving one side open. So here's where I'm saying that for some reason the piece did not stay on. So that's the mirror. So now I had to take the little tabs off and put some more adhesive on it. And this time it sticks. And I'm going to put it back in there, but it's still going to seem plain to me. So I'm going to take some of the Dollar Tree gold beads, and I'm going to cut individuals off that strand, and I'm going to put it inside of the box. But first I'm going to take the 10 strands of lights, and I'm going to put batteries in it, and I'm going to glue that around the inside of the box or the frame, which is now our perfume box or bottle. I'm just testing the lights out, because you don't want to put everything together and only find out that your lights don't work. And I'm leaving enough room so that I can secure the battery pack on the back of the perfume bottle when we finished. And here's where I'm going to realize that it still just didn't do anything for me. So I'm going to take the gold beads, and I'm going to cut them off individual, and I'm going to use, I think it's three. I'm going to cut 3 of them up in there, and then that's going to give me the desired look that I want. So now I'm going to test it and see if I like where the beading is, and I do. It gives it a whole new look, I think. It's sort of like, you know, those perfume bottles that have like flakes of gold floating down in the bottom of it. So that's what my rendition is. And here the sand came off, so I had to put the sand back on. But it's okay, because this time it stays. And so I'm going to put the back on, and I think I'm probably going to sit this one off to the side and go back to the first one. Yes, I did. So now I'm putting the Dollar Tree gems inside, and as well as the lights, and you're going to see me test. And this is only a 3 light bulb strand of lights that I ordered from Amazon. And it has a battery pack as well. And I'm going to test to see, I don't want this to have as much bright light as the other one. I want it to appear that the lights is shining through the diamonds. And I left shopping fun up here on this one, because what girls doesn't want to use diamonds to go shopping it with? And so this is sort of like my white diamonds rendition. That was my grandmother's favorite perfume. So I am going to go ahead and secure the back on this one, and secure the battery pack on the back. I'm gonna start off by putting some hot glue in each corner, and then once I finish putting the battery pack on, I'm going to go around it to secure it all the way. And then I'm going to bring the gold box back up, and I used 3 packs of those, guys. I want to tell you, I used 3 packs of the Dollar Tree gems to go inside of the white diamond box. And so now I got this topping from Wish. When I originally ordered them, I thought they was going to be bigger, but they weren't. They were not. So I just found this use for them, and I love the fact that it's blue as well with the clear base. So I'm just putting some Fix All and some hot glue there for immediate hold to put both the base down and the ball, the crystal ball that's going to be on the top, and that's blue. So that matches our blue sand on the inside. So guys, I'm going to secure this, and then I am going to get everything set up to give you the reveal of both boxes. Okay guys, so here they are. This is what the lights on and the light dim. All the lights on in the box and then dim. And I think they came out just as I envisioned. You got your fragrance Follow Your Dreams. That's blue and gold. And you got your Shopping Fun perfume with white diamonds in it. So I really like the way they came out. They're very elegant and yet classy, and this is what it looks like with no lights on at all. I think they're very good for night lights, for just to light up if you want to put it in a bathroom or a guest bathroom, so you can have night light and it turns it off and on. And see, that says Shopping Fun with your diamonds in it. So guys, I truly hope that this has inspired you guys to make your own perfume inspirational box. So if you like this DIY, guys, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And guys, hit your notification bell, because I think some of you guys aren't getting the notifications. So I love you guys. Bye bye.